So our next topic is machinings milling. So basically, we just go to machinings and select milling. And here we have a, a template that already in our system. You can use it, or if you doesn't want to use it, you can select from here. We have the tools, and if you have your own tools based on your CNC machines, uh, you have to create your own tools. I will show you how to create your own tools later, but now let's create some machinings. Like, let's say, once again, open up. I will go to my machinings, and I will gonna use this tool, like this tool for example, and the same dimension based on the tools dimensions. Okay, and if I want to change the, for example, to 15, and the length and the radius, and here I can you have an option, on how your your output will be. It could be on the fly or on point only when you're using the tools. Okay, let's say on point or on fly. And here it could be how it will cut. It can be none or linear or arc. Okay, specify the dimension or extended. Okay, you can play with it. For now, let's use none. All right, or and the length entrance and the exit length, the entrance and the length. Okay, and if you want to have an offset dimension, if it is right, start with right or in the middle or in left. Normally, I'm using middle, and if it is in front of the panel or at the back of the panel, and if and here if you draw polyline, or if you have shape of polyline already here, you have to use this big polyline. So let's say I want to draw. Let's keep the specification at here and draw polyline. Like now, check this uh, command at the bottom part of your window. Select part to be worked on. Okay, it's asking to select part to be worked on. Normally, this part I want to have the work ons, and now specify the starting point. So here you can draw anything. Like here I want to do my milling here, run to this area, and arc, and I want to have an arc until here and enter. Okay, now it goes to blue blue color, means it it accepted it. And now here in execution, you can double check and confirm the milling, or uh, here avoid the milling. So now this time let's confirm the milling, double click. Okay, and now here you go. See, check your 3D model. Yeah, using the tool. This is the output. Okay, so let's go back once again, and let's use another tools, and let's delete these machines and go back to the four windows, 2ED, remove the polyline, path and go back to milling and use another tools like I want this kind of tool. Yeah, same as specification or on point, none in the middle, in front, yes, draw. Once again, select first the part and draw your polyline, okay, up to here. Enter. And then it turns to blue color, the polyline, and then confirm the milling, double click, and there you go. Using that tool, that kind of tool, and now you have this kind of cutting or routing. All right. So now, like for example, let's delete once again this work on QED, and let's use the other types of polyline to generate your milling. Like I want to have PL, okay, and I want to draw arc here, and like this one, like this kind of shape or polyline. And then let's change the tools, okay, to this kind of tool, and don't worry about this, okay, because we have none approach path, yeah, exit path, we don't have path on the entrance path and the exit path, and use this pick polyline, and then once again select first the part, enter, and again, sorry, cancel, pick the front first, select first the part, and then now select the polyline and enter. Turns to blue color, and double click the check icon to confirm the menu. And then there you go. So by using of this kind of tool, you will have this kind of routing. Yep. All right. So now I want to show you how to create the tools. Like for example, you have different kinds of tools based on your CNC machine. Okay. So like for example, I want to draw and where to save and how to use it. So let me delete once again this work on LED. All right. I want to draw tools like anything like uh, line. I want some 20 mm block, for example, offset by 30 mm. This kind of tool, PE. Mhm. Like for example, apply, put some dimension on it. Okay. Mm, oh, let's change the size scale and one, point one, enter. Or load dimension standard set current close. KLI is here. Change the tree or 5. Okay. Is say 10. Okay. And precision here. Okay, 30. And create QED KLI. Okay, match. Okay, and change this to different colors. So I want blue, oh, blue maybe, and Q copy X, and ed change, put the name of your tools, routing tool, for example, tool 1, tool 001, for example, enter. You maybe to remove this dimension, remove ed. Let's say I want this color yellow. So there you go. So now, once you created or your tools based on your existing tools inside your CNC machine, or routing tools, or what kind of tools you have in your CNC machine, just draw it. And once you draw it and go to this uh, create block routing, create a block, and here let's say uh, T001. Okay, save. Now he's asking for select polyline. Yes, I'll select this polyline and specify insertion point or base point. Normally it could be anywhere, could be here, could be here, or normally it's in the middle. Basically it's in the middle, so I will choose the middle. And now he's asking if I want some slide or on menu, yes or no. Always yes. To and then snapshot. So once go back to your uh, machinings and check it out if your tools are already there. Yeah, there you go, T001, but doesn't have any image on it. So what you can do is um, go to your go to here, search button, and snipping tool. Take a snap, take a photo of your tools. Okay, no, new, new, new. Okay, take a snap. All right, now mm, file, save as, save it to CAD folder, which is normally it is on your C drive. I'll go to your CAD and then normally it's in your CAD 2020. Sorry, CAD 20. Open up 20.0. Open up. I'll go to your EPP and then lang and then English. Go to MC and DBA, and there you go. Here is your tools. So now change your, yeah, here, and change this uh, name to T001 dot KR, sorry, K. So change it to uh, T T001 dot K, sorry, KRF, sorry, KFR. Okay, and save it. Yes. So now just it's uh, T001 dot KFR, sorry, KFR dot JPEG. All right, like that. All right, and KFR, save. So now, once you have done that, uh, go now once again to your tools And then we go, it came the image. All right. So now once again, that's how you're gonna create your tools based on the tools that you have on your CNC machine. And now I want to draw something here. Yes, arc, enter, yeah, like that. Enter, enter once again. Mhm. Nine. Okay, enter, yeah, like this. Okay, and speak polyline. Select first the part, and once again, pick polyline. Select first the part, and then select the polyline. Enter. It turns to blue color, and then confirm milling. And there you go. And go to your construction, and go back to the four viewports, and here it is. See. So that's how we will use this kind of tools in machinings, milling. All right. All right. Thank you.